Presentation Here Academy presents Master the Language, lesson number 2 of the presentation delivery module. Now, if you don't control completely the language of your presentation, you're doing a disservice to your topic, you're giving a bad deal to your audience, and altogether you're putting your presentation in great danger. The status quo may be poor, and every day we hear bad presentations, and those bad presentations are often done by a non-native speaker. The fact that everybody around us is doing the same mistake doesn't make it right. I give you two options. You can ask for a translator. You can always do that. Or you can select a different crowd. You can go speak to a crowd that will truly understand you. Always, always, always present in the language that you master, that you control, where you feel more confident. This will boost your delivery in a way that nothing else can. No matter how much you work on your storytelling, no matter how much you work on your slide design, they will all go to waste if you are not proficient with the language. So to summarize, let me repeat it once more. You really need to master the language if you're looking for excellence in presentation delivery.